car meet I've ever been to. Holy crap. And it just keeps going over there as well. That is insane. I want that so badly. That is so clean. That's actually crazy. So they originally come with the SR20 deck from factory. But holy, this is insane. That looks so good. That's a dream car for sure. I want to get that in the future. Alright guys, we got a line of MR2s. Oh, sick. This one's sick. It's like a Grinch. Holy crap, what the hell? That's sick, bro. Boy by Evo 9. That's sick as well. Damn, man. MR2s in like every single color. What the heck? The cams are insane, bro. With the Lambo as well. Ethan's Lambo. Hey, we found another DC2, right? What the hell? That's so cool. Oh, factory interior as well. That's cool. You can only see them with factory interior. Damn, bro. It's tidy. It's tidy. It's tidy. Alright guys, we're gonna go check out all the cars leaving with some good like exhaust sounds, so some good flybys. Let's see them all rolling out. All the people standing on the side.